Hello, techies. We are in lab 3.1.3 and we're going to implement physical security. So based on a review of physical security at your office, we have recommended several improvements. Your plan includes installing smart card readers, IP cameras, signs, and an access log book. In this lab, your task is to implement a physical security plan by dragging the correct items from the shelf onto the various locations in the building. As you drag the items from the shelf, the possible drop locations are highlighted. To implement your plan, you must install the IP cameras and the appropriate locations to record and the infrastructure, the securities. Okay, so let's just start up the lab. Immediately. If you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and work at your own pace. So let's start up immediately. We go to the CCTV cameras and we'll begin to drag and drop. So let's drag and drop this here, and we'll drag another camera and drop this here. These are IP cameras, and then let's go to the door locks. For the door locks, we are going to put a smart card reader here just at the entrance so that it reads your card before you gain entrance. Then we'll put another smart card reader here, and let's go to restricted access signs. So we take this and we place this right here, and then we get a logbook and we'll place the logbook right here on the decks, and let's go ahead and score lab. Now, if you find this video to be helpful for you, remember to share so that others can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.